Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the button assignments on a PS4. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Changing button assignments essentially lets you remap any button on the PS4 controller. Here is how to do it. From the main dashboard of your PS4, move up to the top to get to the control menu. Move all the way to the right and open Settings. In Settings, select Accessibility. In Accessibility Options, scroll down a bit and select Button Assignments. Select the checkbox for Enable Custom Button Assignments. Now select Customize. You can now reassign any of the buttons here. First, select the button you want to remap, and then select which button you would like it to assign it to when you press it. Click Reset to make everything go back to how it was before. That is how you remap buttons on the PS4. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.